Hi friends, in this video we'll see tab strip container. So this is a container section, and if you select tab strip, so here advantage of this tab strip, so we no need to write any script to go to tab 1 tab 2. So if you just run this, so whatever the components you will add in tab 1, that will display here, and if you click on tab 2, that will get displayed here. So if so we have automatically two tabs will get added. So these are tab 1 and tab 2, and tab 1 you can directly add whichever component you want to add. For example, drop down box just I have added here, and just I'm copying that and pasting into tab 2. If you want to add additional tab, just right click and create, and tab is there, so it's tab 3. You can rename it here in the name section. This is a tab name, and text is I'm making as tab 3. So I'm not adding anything in tab 3. So tab 1 we have added as drop down box, and tab 2 we have added one drop down box. So here uh, so if you want to assign the list or assign the members for drop down 1 and drop down 2, so we can directly add it in the on start. But here for performance improvement, how we can add, how we can write the script in tab script, I will let you here. I just click on the tab script one, and here on select option is there. So on select means while selecting tab 1 or tab 2 or tab 3, what action need to be performed. In the event section, on select, just click here. So here uh, I'm just writing if condition. You can write me or tab stripped 1. So we are writing for tab stripped 1 now, so that we can make it me also. So tab stripped 1 dot get selected tab. So get selected tab is equal to tab 1. If it is tab 1, so what action need to perform, or else it's a simple if else condition. And if it is tab 2, what we need to perform. So we are just trying to assign if it is tab 1, so drop down box need to be get assign the members. So here is set items, and I'm just selecting the data source and assigning the member list, and dimension I'm selecting uh, here single country is there, so I'm adding state and member representation is internal, and the member key is a text, and maximum I want 10, and I'm just closing the statement. Similarly, I am adding another have added state now here I'm adding city. So same syntax for tab 1 and tab 2, and just clicking on OK. This is for on select. So I'm running this dashboard. Why it is not getting added? Just let me sorry, not saved that, and just rechecking this statement. Me dot get selected tab and drop down, sorry, here drop down 1 and here is drop down 2. We need to select the drop down 2 here, and I'm just closing and saving and running it again. Now it's nothing is there, that's fine. That reason I will let you know, but here it's get selected the cities. Why it was not selected means the tab was not selected. I mean, if now we are able to see, So by default the tab script one will open with tab 1. So in this case what we need to do, we need to add this query, this statement into the on startup. So on startup, just go to the this application, and right side we will be having tab on startup. So expand that and add this, and just click on OK and save and run. Now by default you will see the all the state details, and here city details will be there, and tab 3 we have not added. So that's all for this tab script. Thank you.